A 3-day jungle trek outside of Chiang Mai begins with a visit to a hillside temple. We spent some time checking out the many intricate carvings and statues. At the top of the hill, a giant golden Buddha is seated, with amazing views of the Thai countryside in front. Along the way, we stopped here and there to relax by waterfalls. We scared a snake out of the tree, which gave our guide, Book, a good hearty laugh. He also showed us the medicinal properties of these red fire ants. Before we found home for the night, we chilled by another waterfall and went for a little walk. After a full day of trekking, we arrived in a remote village, which seemed to have more cows than people. All 9 of us slept in this little shack together.
And then
Book then taught us an interesting use of bile.
cut small hole here and put it in mix with the whiskey. And
Really?
he will strong.
Really?
Excuse me, my name is the Book. I am trekking guide Chiang Mai, Thailand with butter.
That didn't exactly stimulate our appetite, but he got right to work whipping up a veggie stew for us anyways. The group dined by candlelight, and then sat by the fire, passing around little shots of Thai whiskey, free of bile, a great start to the 3-day trek.